Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a video series on size does matter. A internet friend of mine sent me this logo, and it is 25 inches big. So if you start tracing that, and let's go up to bitmap, resample, and it is 300 dots per inch, but it's huge. So I went ahead and traced it, but the key is, if you will make it smaller, here's the finished product I did for him last night. If you're only going to put it on like a Yeti cup, start off the size, and let's look at this. This is a bitmap that is 18 by 18 dots per inch. So it's really, really big. I mean, really, really good pixelation. I mean, 18 by 18 is huge. So there's where I would start off. And that's basically what Corel does when it starts tracing, and then you open it and it says it's going to reduce it. It's going to reduce it in size, but it's going to keep it the same size. So if you're going to work on something that you're only going to have, that's only going to be, 2 inches tall by 4.1 inches, start with that. Now, on the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how I would clean this up. It traced really good. There's a couple of parts that just need cleaning up a little bit. Like these right here aren't perfect. So I'm going to show you how to clean those up, or basically redraw them. So stay tuned for the next video, and I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.